Hello YouTube, Watney586 here. There's the date and time. Hey, it's really windy out here. It really had to start getting really windy when I came out here. But here's the little winter storm we got in our area. Mom's SUV covered in snow. Crap. It's very, 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 very slippery. As you can see, I've already been out here. I haven't been over here yet. Yeah. Oh, look at the inside of Mom's SUV. Look inside my mom's SUV. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? By the way, that pink case on this phone is mine. This phone is mine. My mom got a new phone. She got a Galaxy S4. These are tinted windows. Because you could see by my footprints. I haven't been over here to my dad's car yet. So you see, he's been out. He was out yesterday because of the dirty stuff, the dirty snow. Because the snow was doing so good, but it decided to snow again. The weather was calling for more snow. Is this door unlocked? No. We'll get all that stuff off that window. No, I do not have any gloves on. It's not that cold out here anyways. It's only about in the 40s. Here's the back. You can see the windows and stuff are covered. Anyways, I'll get right here in the grass right here for you. If I don't slip and fall. Very, very icy. So you can see those big footprints. See, there's a view of the car. Mom's SUV right there. Good gosh. Very icy. See, the whole back's covered in it. Here's a good idea I can do to get that snow off. And some of it came off. Good gosh, there's a lot right there. Just do this. There we go. There's some icicles. Go ahead and kick those off. Some right there. Once again, there's a view of the car. You can see all my footprints right there. Road, it's covered. There's the house. Now there's my footprints towards the back of this car. See what I can get from inside here. Oh, you can actually see a good view of it. Pretty good view, actually, I must say. There's the brake lights. The third brake light. Get you a view of the whole back here. And do it with this car too. See all my footprints yet again. Whoa! See, I almost fell on that one. Very icy. There's the back of that. I'm gonna try to get as much snow off as I can. Alright, license plate area's got it. Oh, God. Hands covered in it. Just wipe it on my pants for now. Okay. Ugh. Alright, that's enough. So, once we go back to the front door and stuff, we will end the video. There's a view of it inside again. I don't think I got a view of the front of it yet. Well, there's the front of it for you guys. We'll get a side profile. Whoa, 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 whoa. Big snow pile right there. Okay, let's get back. There's the view of my mom's SUV. So, guys, I just want to thank you for watching this video. So if you have any comments, please feel free to leave one. Once we get to the thing, I gotta wipe my feet off. Probably gonna have to put my shoes out here. Somebody's got a Jeep Wrangler over there. My camera might not be getting it too well, but that's alright. I don't know if it knows if I'm filming it or not. No, it don't. Let's get a pretty cool shot of it. Let's see here. Alright, that's it. So let's go ahead and get my phone out so I can, my old phone, so I can show you the time. That said, that will be it. Thanks for watching and peace out.